stone is drama. For Jagan is trying to create sympathy for himself. Nothing like this happened. Some small stone was thrown. These are his words. And Jagan Mohan Reddy has created this drama to get sympathy. So it's gone down to that level. He claimed that you arrested him wrongfully, sent him to prison. That Jagan Mohan Reddy is running Andhra like a dictator. Anyone who questions him is thrown into prison.
I think the most important thing is, Rajdeep, see the stone, what they speak about. Who threw the stone? It was their people who got this, who actually threw the stone.
He denies that.
What are we talking here, Rajdeep? And somebody has the audacity to actually say that. I mean, if Chandrababu Naidu feels so like that, let Chandrababu Naidu stand there. I'll give you the opportunity to throw 10 stones at him at the same speed at which I was hit, each resulting in 3 stitches. And let sympathy come to him.
No, but what explains this? You threw him into jail. State CID threw Chandrababu Naidu into jail in an old case, is what his argument is, that this is all done because you want to finish off any rival. Anyone who speaks out against Jagan Mohan Reddy will be finished in Andhra Pradesh.
See, Rajdeep, it's not, as I've told you, in fact, you asked me the same question before, and I did reply then. See, basically, whether somebody is done wrong or right, it stands the test of the courts. And if the courts have deemed fit that this man be sent into prison for 52 days, then that means he's done something which he should not have done.
He's out on bail.
He's out on bail. But bail is anyway a right which anyway comes to anybody at some point of time. But the very fact that the scams that he has committed has got good enough evidences, sufficient enough evidences, that actually put him behind the bars.
My final point then is you and the center. What is the nature of relationship? For the last 5 years, we've seen in Parliament, outside Parliament, by and large, YSRCP has supported Prime Minister Modi. Now we are told because you've got a strong minority vote here, you don't want to be seen to be on the same side as the Prime Minister. What is the reality of your relationship with the center and the Prime Minister?
I think rather than asking me, Rajdeep, see, they're the people who tied up, they're the people who are currently in tie-up with Chandrababu Naidu. So you should ask Chandrababu Naidu and Modi what their relationship is.
He says Mr. Naidu says we are together for development. Both Prime Minister and I want the development of Andhra Pradesh.
So if they are together, it is development. If Jagan and I were to maintain a cordial relationship because I am the Chief Minister and because he is the Prime Minister, then it's for something else.
Would you support